Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sleep Inn and Suites Kingsport TriCities Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Sleep Inn and Suites Kingsport TriCities Airport is located in Kingsport, 12 miles from Bristol Motor Speedway and 14 miles from Hands-On Discovery Center. With a fitness center, the 2-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi. The property has free shuttle service and a 24-hour front desk for guests. The rooms will provide guests with a microwave. Tweetsie Trail is 22 miles from the hotel, while George L. Carter Railroad Museum is 23 miles from the property. The nearest airport is TriCities Regional Airport, 2.5 miles from Sleep Inn and Suites Kingsport TriCities Airport. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.